Welcome to the Candor Data Platform, an AI-powered solution built to simplify modern data engineering. It enables users to connect to multiple databases, build and automate ETL pipelines, and manage complex data workflows using simple prompts instead of manual coding. With built-in schema awareness and seamless cross-database support, Candor redefines how pipelines are created, making data operations faster, smarter, and more efficient. Now let's create a new connection to the PostgreSQL database. You will be prompted to enter the necessary connection details. Provide a meaningful connection name to easily identify the connection later. Enter the host as the server address where your PostgreSQL database is hosted and specify the port. Then, enter the database name you want to connect to, along with the appropriate schema associated with that database. Next, select the authentication method as SQL Server Native Authentication. Enter your username and password in the respective fields to authenticate the connection. Once all the required details have been entered, click on the Connect button. If the provided information is correct, a confirmation message will be displayed indicating that the database connection has been successfully established and is now active. Now let's connect the another database, MySQL Server. Enter the connection setup and enter the required details, including the connection name, host, port, database, and schema. Next, choose the authentication method as SQL Server Native Authentication, and provide your username and password in the respective fields. After entering all the necessary information, click on the Connect button. Once the connection is successfully established, a confirmation message will be displayed. In the Connected DB tab, you'll now see connections successfully established. Next, navigate to the Candor AI chat panel and provide the functional specification as a prompt to generate the ETL script. The AI automatically interprets and classifies the request, identifies the source and target database, then generates both SQL and Python scripts, incorporating upsert and merge logic within the SQL script. The script generation process is completed successfully, with both scripts ready for execution. We then execute the Python script, which runs successfully and completes the data transfer along with the required transformations from the source to the target database. The transformed data is then successfully displayed, confirming that the process has been executed as expected. And that's how easily you can bring your data workflows to life with the Candor Data Platform. From building both simple and complex ETL pipelines to debugging scripts and interacting through prompts, everything can be accomplished seamlessly. With Candor, data engineering becomes faster, more efficient, and significantly more intuitive. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the power of prompt-driven data innovation.